Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cecelia. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be turning this name tag which I got on Temu into a glam. So this is our name tag for our family, the Oluwaseun. Oh yeah. So I got a name tag on Temu. This actually cost about $15. It is metallic, it is heavy, and I will be sticking this on another bud, and these come with some screw that you can use to stick the name tag onto any platform. So I'll be using this wall decor which I already have at home, and I'll be turning this into a glam. Couple of things that I will be using to turn this into a glam is this petal flowers. I will be using the gold spray. I will be using the silver spray, and also I have some shining gold and silver shining spray that I'll be sprinkling onto the bud after it's done. I have the mud pod which I'll be using. I have the E6000 which I'll be using to glue things down. I have my brush, and you want to get a face mask so that you don't ingest the aerosol while you're spraying. And I have the scissors. So I'm doing this in a well aerated place. The first thing I'm going to do is to spray the name tag gold. So I'll be using gold on silver. The name tag is going to be sprayed gold, and the board is going to be sprayed silver. So now I will be spraying this board into a silver glam. So this is what I'm doing. You carefully want to do this so that you cover up all the decor on the bird. So again, I'm using the silver spray, metallic spray, to spray this board. And now this is done. You can see how this covered the surface very well. So I'll let this dry for almost 20 minutes. Yeah. So again, I go over the name tag. I spray it one more time to make sure that I cover everything and to make sure that the name tag is actually shining. So I'll let this dry up for 20 minutes. I use this to spray. And the next thing I did was to spray the petals. I sprayed that gold because that will go well on the silver bud. This is done. I let it dry for 20 minutes, and now I will continue the design. I will be using the mud podge. I have the shiny silver. I mix this together. I'll be adding this to the board to make it glittering. Oh yes. So I added the mud podge. Then now I'm adding the shiny silver. So this is done. I added more shining silver onto the mud pot, and I'll let this dry. But before I let this dry, I will be gluing down the name tag with E6000 onto the board, and that is done. Then the next thing I did was to add the golden petals onto the board, and I'll let this air dry for another 20 minutes. And this is the outcome of it. I have this hung already on my wall, and it's looking beautiful. Let me know what you think. Do you think this home decoration actually worth it? Thank you for joining me today. Until next time when I come your way, it's still your girl. I love you all. This is how you can turn things around in your home without breaking the bank. Bye for now.